In this video, I'll show you how to use our campaign section to monitor, analyze, and give suggested actions you can take to improve the performance of your campaigns. First, you'll need to connect your Facebook ad account, and you can either do it here on the home page or in the campaign section. Once you connect your Facebook account, you're in. Going to the campaign section, you'll be presented with a quick tutorial for this section. You are now able to choose from a list of ad accounts that you want to view. Upon choosing an ad account, you can see all of the active campaigns that are being run. You can also view a list of your completed campaigns to see how they've performed. Going back to the list of your active campaigns, to view details of any specific campaign, just click on the name and it will take you to our campaign overview page where you can see more information to help you decide whether it's performing well or not. To quickly go straight to the aggregated list of suggested actions, just click on the Actions button. For now, we'll click on the campaign name to see more details. There are 5 tabs you can navigate through. Details is where the campaign level results are shown. Ad sets is where you can select which ad set you want to view in more detail, then choose the breakdown you would like more information on. Ads is where you can see how your creatives are performing. Actions is where you can find a summary of all the suggested actions so you have it all in one place. And History is where you can see all the changes made to this campaign, whether made in TopicDNA or Facebook Ads Manager, which is great for traceability purposes. Going back to the Details tab, we've provided a graph that shows the trends for the results of the campaign. In this case, it is purchases. And you can toggle the time period for the data. At the bottom, you'll see stats for the ad sets within this campaign, and is also where we recommend actions that can help improve the performance of the overall campaign. You can see all of the relevant metrics to help you determine how well each ad set is performing. You can also sort by each column to make it easier to compare. These actions are also present in the Ad Sets and Ads tabs. For ad sets, we allow you to view the performance on a granular level so that you have greater control over the performance of your campaigns. First, choose the ad set you want to view. Then pick one of the many breakdowns that are available, such as age and gender. This feature is also available when you're wondering which ads you should keep running or to pause. If we go back to the ad set breakdown, you can see that we've recommended that the ad set named Canada should be paused because it has the highest cost per purchase. So to pause this ad set, just hover over the action, click on it, and then it will take you into Facebook Ads Manager where you can take any of the recommended actions. It's that easy. This new feature will help you not only save time, but also make your campaigns fly. The second way to optimize your campaigns is to create a campaign pool, which allows you to shift budget across multiple campaigns to ensure that your ad budget works harder for you. Clicking on the button will take you to the Creation Wizard, where you can choose which campaigns you want to add to the pool. Any campaigns that are already a part of an existing campaign pool will not be selectable. When you pick the first campaign, any campaigns that don't have the same objective, optimization goal, and budget type will not be selectable. Once you have picked your campaigns, give it a name, and then press Create. The campaigns need to have been run for at least 24 hours before you can optimize. If they have, just press the Optimize button, where we show you a preview of any budget changes our algorithm recommends. This is using the past 7 days worth of data, and you can see we'll be shifting the budget from a poorly performing campaign to the higher performing one, as it has the lower cost per purchase. Once you press Apply, we make the changes for you and you're done.